Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will show you how to unwrap wrapped Solana. So for this video, we will need Phantom Wallet. So make sure to download your Phantom Wallet. Make sure to install it right here in your browser. If you have a wrapped token right here or wrapped Solana in your wallet, what you can do is you can click on that wrapped Solana. Now for this instance, I don't have any Solana and I don't have wrapped Solana. But if you have a wrapped Solana, that's why you are probably watching this video. You can go to three dots and you can click on wrap. All this will unwrap your Solana and it will turn it into Solana, right? So you will have Solana tokens right here. So that's pretty much the simplest way how to unwrap Solana, or how to get the Solana from unwrap Solana. So that's pretty much how to do it. Also, you can obviously send from Binance if you want to do it on Binance. You can probably convert unwrapped Solana to Solana as well. But this is the simplest way possible. So if you have any questions regarding this, comment down below and leave a like on video and do subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to press bell icon. Thanks for watching.